Hello, friends and family. Hello, everyone. Hello, friends and family. Hello, friends and family. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm creating some charcuterie boards. And I like to do this. I like to set this up ahead of time, have it ready in my fridge during the holidays, or if I'm invited to a Christmas party in someone's home. This is a great hostess gift, or if you want to take it to the office. So this is what I do to prepare for entertaining at home. Okay, so at first, I like to use these cake platters. I got these from Wilton. These are 12 by 12 boards. Got them at Walmart. They're probably like $3.96. And it has 5 in the pack, okay? So you can make 5 boards of this. You can use these for cakes. You can use these for charcuterie boards too, okay? And they're heavy, and if I'm like taking it, they come in wide, but if I'm taking it to someone's home, I'll use the ones with like the silver or the gold, okay? So I'll use that. And the host doesn't have to clean up anything, any dishes. They'll just, they can throw it away. Okay, so I'm gonna use some crackers, and I'm gonna keep this in the box because this is kind of like a gift. Okay, so I'm gonna keep these in the box. We're going to have some little mini dill pickles, jar of mini dill pickles, olives, got a jar of pesto, got some French's mustard. I'm going to use this one because this came from Dollar Tree too, and it was $1.25, and then you get these little ones for $1.25 at a Dollar Tree and Walmart. So I'm going to use the big one because I got room for it. Okay, so you want the board to be as full as possible. Got this can of peanuts. I had an assortment, I'm going to admit it. I had like some walnuts and pistachios and pecans. I ate them. Okay, so these were left, and it works out beautifully on the board. Okay. Oh, forgot the summer sausage. Got the summer sausage. I'm going to just keep it in the wrap right now, because if I'm giving it as a gift, they may not want to open it right away. Okay. But then I have a bunch of grapes here. I got some grapes. Wash them. Make sure they're dry. Mine are still draining. Got some green grapes. And I got these little mini peppers as garnish. Is that everything? Okay, then I'm gonna add here's some truffles. I'm gonna add some candy. I have some chocolates here, some Andes chocolates. And we're gonna wrap it in some cello wrap. And we're gonna put a bow on it. One of these two. I have to see which one I like the best once it's done. Okay, so let's start building. First, we're going to put our crackers here. I think I need my glue dots. Well, I had glue dots on those, and then I kind of plucked them off for demonstration because I had it all fixed up, and I said I think the family would like to see how to do this. But put some tape or something on these items to keep them stable. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the crackers like that. Put some tape, see there's some glue dots on these, on the sausage, and put it on the flat side. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Let's see if I can do it. If I turn it around like this, you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, let's bring her down some. All right. Okay, now I went and got my glue dots. Glue dots are best for stuff like this. They're very strong. So just take some glue dots. Balance here. Put the dill pickles, put them here. There, put the mustard there. Okay, so now garnish with the grapes. Consistent. I'll keep all my little jars down here. See what we have so far. This is what it looks like so far. Yep, looks good. Okay, let's get some of these candies over here. still looking. Got these little peppermint sticks here. So I thought these were individually wrapped. They're not, so you can put them back in the bag, and wrap it up, stick it in there. I do want some peppermints in there. You don't want stuff that's going to roll around, so that's why I wanted the rectangular ones. Let's see, we got some space for more candy. Okay, family, I just wrapped it up. I wrapped it up in cello wrap. You saw where I put glue dots on each item to make it secure, except for the grapes. Everything else is in here. I put a little knife in here. Let's see. And these boards are pretty sturdy. Put a knife in here so it, your host won't have to do anything but open it up. And then I'm gonna put this bow on it, just right on the corner here. I put a glue dot on the bow, and we also have a gift tag on here. So just put the bow on there. We have our gift tag. Let me tell you that everything came from Dollar Tree, except for the fruit. Oh, I forgot this sausage came from Walmart. Everything else came from Dollar Tree. And Walmart also has a little thing of summer sausage, and I tested it out. It is good. So if your budget, like this summer sausage is about $5. Your budget is a little lower, get the summer sausage from Dollar Tree. It's good. It has a little bit more vinegary taste, but it's a nice gift. And, your guests will be pleasantly surprised when they get it. Okay. Here's everything up close. Have your pretty bow on the corner here. Gift tag. And what you can do, what I do is I'll keep this in the refrigerator. Keep it in the fridge. I'll keep one in the fridge for me for the house. Say we want something, over the long weekend. It's already there, already put together. Keep a couple ready if you want to have a little something at the house, or if you're going to someone's house. Keep it ready. Make it up maybe a couple of days ahead of time. Grapes are good. Grapes will be good. Everything else is cured and pickled and wrapped up tight. So everything else will be good. The grapes will last a week. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Just wanted to give you a little inspiration on how you can do things tastefully for less and still, save some money so your budget, your money can go a long way and you can still have a good time. I don't think, with a little thought, you can still have a good time. Don't let your budget, just because you have a low budget, don't let that mess with you and say, well, I can't do anything. Yes, you can do something. You can be creative. All right, thank you so much. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy holidays to everyone, and I appreciate all of your support over the years. Thank you so much. Bye, Mom.